everybody, and welcome to this video to show you how I created my New Year 2020 layout with Bramble Fox. I absolutely love the perspective that we're in this month. Foxbox, absolutely beautiful and full of great things really for your New Year layout. Yeah, absolutely love them. So here I'm showing you how I've chosen my papers, and I had just received my December kit from HipKit when I created the layout. So I'm going through the whole kit to see what I'm going to work with, and then I'm going through also my Foxbox, so you can see there's loads and loads of beautiful things in there. And I knew I wanted to use the New Year 2020 perspectives simply because we took this photo on New Year Day. I always go for a walk on New Year's Day. That's something that we've done with my partner since we got together. Every New Year Day we go for a walk, either in a local park or on the beach, or we just go out really and have a bit of a wander and enjoy each other's company. So at first I thought maybe I would use this pretty little studio background. So I'm pulling out all the embellishment I think would go with this theme of the new year. So I also had fun while pulling them out to place some of it on a photo, like the glasses 2020 and the party hat on Sophia's head, but that's, as you know, that's not going to stay there. But yeah, I pulled all the things that I think would relate to a new year layout. And in the end I thought, no, I'm not going to go with that background because I really love the pink on the backside, and I just thought I just didn't want to use the whole sheet that way. So I thought I'll go with the Heidi Swap and Bust paper, simply because it's white and I love a white background, but also it had that little special things with the embossed words. And I sprayed it around with a bit of powder and brushed it on the paper to try and get some certain words out. Then I wet it around, just getting that pink revealed right bang the center of the layout. And I added a little bit more powder, dry it off, just really trying to get a good mixed media background, different effect, different texture. And I thought I wanted the words to stand out a little bit more. I was trying to get certain words to pop out, and I went with my distress ink. And this is one of them moments that I get sometimes. It seems like all my videos lately are like that. It's one of the moments where it's trial and error, and sometimes I'm not quite happy with what I've created. And that was one of them where I'm not too fond of what I've done on my background. And I'm not one to give up, so I wanted to slightly cover it but still let it visible. So I used some acetate to mellow it and to tone it down right bang the middle. And I love that it added an extra texture, that kind of frostiness texture. So now I'm going through with the ephemeras that I had picked out and those little frames just to center my photo, placing the snowflakes around, just playing around to try and find somewhere for everything, placing my title, just looking at where I can put everything to fit on my layout. So yeah, at this point it's all about finding the placement of everything, finding a way to arrange my page that I like and is pleasing to my eye, and just adding a few bits and bobs. I absolutely love the Snowflakes from Bramble Fox. They are just so cute. I've used them all. I hope that they get released next year because I'm absolutely in love with them. The colour of them and the sizes, and they're just absolutely gorgeous. Anyway, I wanted to add something else to my page, so I decided to first glue the snowflakes that I knew were underneath the acetate, and I wanted to use this stencil from the November hip kit, but I wanted to colour it. I didn't want it in white. I thought it would be nice to have the blue pop out because we've got the pink already on the background from the snowflakes and from some of the embellishment. I thought I wanted to get that blue as well. So I mixed some of modelling paste with some different inks, and I applied it directly onto my acetate, making sure that it would only go on the acetate and not on my page. So I play around with that, and in the end I just dry it off quickly with my heat gun, but very carefully because sometimes it tends to bubble up. So I don't want to create too much of a volume, but I just dry it, give it a quick dry up because obviously I depend on Sophia sleeping or napping to create my layout. So every single free minute is precious to me, so I make the most of it. So now I'm placing everything as I had layered it before. I'm trying to get that layer back because I really liked it, and I'm playing with all my snowflakes, adding all the details again, making sure that I like what I've got in front of me, and making sure that it's all attached. Adding all those gorgeous snowflakes. Absolutely love them. Love, 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 love. And just going through the process of placing everything again. I thought it needed a little bit more details. Once I had added my title, I thought it needed something else. And I decided to add that family time onto the snowflakes, but also I decided to add some of the little gems from the pack of snowflakes that look like the diamond is. I liked how it looks like a little bit of ice onto my page. It just works so well with the snowflake theme and all the colours. Stamped my date, as I always do. I like to have my date directly on my layout just to remember, even though I would know when it was taken. I just always think of keeping that memory for Sophia and for the people who might look at my layout. So I like to have my date on there. The little glass cheers, just to show that bit of celebration. And I added a little bit of journaling as well, just to explain what we were doing on that day. Just stamping it letter by letter like I always do. It's just something that I really enjoy, just stamping it letter by letter. I feel like the text really get thought through, because not only I have to think it through so that it fits on the area I'm stamping it on, but also thinking of all the letters and thinking of it. It's just really get the journaling to soak through. And I added a few more diamond teas there. There you go. I hope you enjoy it, and thank you for watching, and thank you for all the love. Bye.